On page one, to begin another week with your Pratt Pack, COVID-19 cases on the rise. This was the report earlier today, CBS Monday, the morning show. All I can say is you have to continue to lean in on the brilliance of modern medicine. You know, we have been through this argument since the start of the pandemic back in 2020, February of that year. I remember it well. I lost a very dear friend within a matter of months after it really took hold. And he, only my age, and prior, nothing but good health. So it was frightening, and in the end, over 1 million citizens in the United States lost their life. We had those 2-hour press conferences that I covered on a daily basis, reporting back to you after listening to it on KDKA. I'm not trying to spread that kind of panic, and we are definitely not headed in that direction. And yes, they say that summertime, because people are on the move and vacationing and mingling, that these cases do seem to persist, and the numbers spike. But I still am a firm believer, even though many have pushed back on my thought process about vaccines, that they are necessary. Look, we have seen modern medicine do some incredible things, and many of my friends happen to be members of that great society of medicine and people that deal with it every day, changing the lives of all of us every day and saving lives as well. I've never forgot about the first responders who were on hand during that horrible time in our country's history. So for all of them, I think, in my humble opinion, we owe it to them because of their dedication to continue to lean into the research of medicine. I absolutely love the conversation about modern medicine and what continues to happen with so many of these incredible healthcare organizations in our region and the men and women who call themselves members of each and every one of these healthcare facilities. So just know this, even though we are now definitely in a better place, that horrible thing that was COVID-19 is still a part of our daily life. And you can try to simply shove it under the rug by saying it's just the flu. Well, I'm sure there are many families right now who may be even listening to me who would totally disagree with you. One of the things that I've often said about tragedy such as that epidemic that we went through, it wasn't so much about those who passed. Yes, we will mourn and think and miss them every single day that we have left on this earth. But we are the ones left behind to do everything that we can to make sure that those that are coming after us will not have to go through the same misfortune. So as long as I think we can continue to learn and do the research with some incredibly intelligent people and men and women of science, and we can continue to save lives and prevent those from dying from such things as COVID-19, I'm so happy that we live in the world that is the United States of America, where that great research continues as we speak. Pray for those who we lost, but know this. Continue to lean into modern medicine when it comes to COVID-19, so more people will continue to not just survive, but thrive.